Om Sri Vishnumaya Swamine Namaha. I am Mrs. Uma Hariharan and he is my husband Mr. S. Nageshwaran. We have come from Hosur. We have been associated with the temple since the year 2015 when we had various problems from all walks of life, and there were times when we had really had a time of despair, distress, agony and disappointments through and through. At that point of time, we were thinking as to what would happen to us, what would be our future like, and what is there storing in for us in the later period. This appeared to be a miracle because we never expected that something drastically positive would be happening in our future. We never knew that there existed a temple called Vishnumaya temple in Perunkotakara Devasthanam. Sooner or later, we came across a newspaper where we just happened to see a clip, and we decided why not enter into this temple. So immediately my husband took up a straight decision as to that we will be coming over and just having a view about the temple. So when we approached here, when we came here, we felt that the entire vibration, the entire energy was extremely positive, and we had a feeling that sooner or later, or maybe within a few years, all our problems would be resolved. That was the beginning of our new walk of life when we happened to visit this great temple. But then we felt that the moment we came, I too was apprehensive whether this would work, because we had only met up with disappointments and disgrace from everywhere, all around us. Any step we would take was a failure. But the moment when we came here and we approached Gurudev, he was the one who guided us, and he told all your problems would be resolved and you have faith in Lord Vishnumaya and there would be positive results through and through your life. So that was the beginning of our entering into this great and an eminent temple which is 300 years old. And believe me, I am telling you from the bottom of my heart that this has been a great change through our life. Now we often visit this temple quite on and off, and each and every time we come here, we find that there is some change in our lives that is happening slowly but yes, steadily. That I can assure each and every one of our devotees who are willing to come here. Thereby, I would also like to include that whoever comes here will definitely be returning very soon, and it would be a continuous process through our life till the time we exist in this world. And in this Kali Yuga, I feel that each and everyone are undergoing some kind of disappointments and problems through our life, through the phase of life, and in order to overcome that, this particular temple, this Perunkotakara Devasthanam, where Vishnumaya God appears, is a grace to all of us. He would all the time be with us and grace us forever. And in case you need to come here, it's closer to Thrissur, around 22 to 25 kilometers in Kerala. So anybody who is willing to come, who wants to come out of all their hurdles and problems in life, can come to this temple and seek the blessings of Lord. Om Sri Vishnumaya Swamine Namaha.